Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be diving into a fascinating topic, the definition of epidemiology. As an epidemiologist, I'm excited to share with you the core principles and importance of this vital field within public health. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand what epidemiology truly is. In simple terms, epidemiology is the scientific study of the distribution and determinants of health-related events or states in specified populations. It's all about unraveling patterns, analyzing data, and making sense of health outcomes at the population level. You might wonder, why is epidemiology so essential in the realm of public health? Well, it plays a crucial role in preventing disease, prolonging life, and promoting overall health. By studying how diseases spread, identifying risk factors, and examining various factors that influence health, we can develop targeted interventions to control health problems and improve the well-being of communities. One of the exciting aspects of epidemiology is the exploration of data. We analyze data meticulously to draw meaningful conclusions. We look at trends, patterns, and statistical associations to gain insights into the factors that impact public health. This data-driven approach helps us make evidence-based decisions that can save lives and improve health outcomes. Now, let's talk about some of the key components that make up epidemiology. It's like a puzzle, and every piece has its significance. The EPI in epidemiology stands for upon. Demos represents people, and logos means the study of. So, you see, we are the detectives of public health, examining health-related events on a population scale. In a broader context, epidemiology encompasses three critical elements: the distribution of health-related events, the determinants influencing those events, and the application of this knowledge to control and manage health issues effectively. Imagine epidemiology as a vital tool in the public health toolkit. It allows us to unravel mysteries, detect outbreaks, and uncover the root causes of diseases. Armed with this information, we can design targeted public health interventions to safeguard the health of communities. In conclusion, my friends, epidemiology is the backbone of public health. It empowers us with knowledge and evidence to tackle health challenges head-on. As we continue on this journey of understanding epidemiology, we'll explore its applications, methodologies, and its significance in shaping the health of populations worldwide. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the definition of epidemiology. If you found this video informative and insightful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on public health and epidemiology. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.